Hey, we back at it, man. We finna do something again. Finna have a little fun. I don't know about you, but do your part, man. This ain't political. Wear your mask, man. Stop the spread, wear your mask. But we about to have some fun, baby. That's what I do all day, every day. Move around, get down. We don't play around. You know what it is. Roll Tide till I die. Hey, Block, crank it up.
All this overtime I'm putting in, I hope it pay off. All this overtime I'm putting in, I hope it pay off. All this overtime I'm putting in, I hope it pay off. I'ma keep on putting in work, I work that clock, I'm never late off. Always did my own thing, never worry about what they thought. Don't care how many tries it take me, as long as I take off. I come from a side where niggas grind to get what they want. Little one, keep that eye, you out your mind, think you gon' take some. I'm getting excited, hoping we okay. And I told my mama that we gon' be okay. All this overtime I'm putting in, I hope it pay off. I'ma keep on putting in work, I work that clock, I'm never late off. Always did my own thing, never worry about what they thought. Don't care how many tries it take me, as long as I take off. I come from a side where niggas grind to get what they want. Little one, keep that eye, you out your mind, think you gon' take some. I'm getting excited, hoping we okay. And I told my mama that we gon' be okay.
Listen, I stand on mine, I don't bend, I don't sway like the coach. I just take my loss to win, but I don't play. Treat that paper like a bitch, I don't chase, I just get a.
You got your applicator brush, ghost bond glue, that's for the glue. Your tape, that's for the line. You got the scalp protector, which you need when you put on, you know, stuff, applying stuff to the scalp, you're gonna need something to protect it. Also, the pencil, so you can draw his line on, make sure you get his line straight. So, those are a couple things that you need, and on top.
Now, what they charging right now for this?
So for this they charging $300 to $500 for any type of unit, especially when you're covering the whole head. You know, they charge at least $3 to $5 right now. Yeah, the white one. Yeah, this one. Kind of get our canvas ready. Basically the top area of the head. Easy. They bite? Good. Okay. Alright, so we're just taking it all the way down. You don't gotta be super bald. It can be, I could have left the hair on there really, you know what I'm saying? You know, these right here don't have to necessarily be all the way bald. You just take it down as low as you want. I'm not gonna even like use the words or nothing like that, but you can take it down really as low as you get it, you know, and as clean as you get it. Basically you'll be able to stretch out the lifespan of it, you know what I'm saying? So it's on you on how clean you want your scalp to be. Yeah. Because even with these, even though it's just, I'm doing this whole head, you can do this right here, you can use it for like filling in spots on certain clients. They got the cowlicks, or even if some people, they got this whole thing like this going, you know, or you can just, like I said, fill in the lines or the size. It just depends on, you know, whatever your client got as far as his problem with his hairline or his haircut. This, like I said, this is the most realistic one, called the scalp exposure unit. Let's cut it down. Now I'm gonna put the corners in, like I would do if I just did a regular haircut on them. I'm gonna put these corners in so I can just know where it's dropping at. All right, and I'm gonna put this. First thing I'm gonna do is clean it off. Alcohol. All right, the next step is gonna be to use the got-to-be glue, the spritz, or whatever you use to do your lines. I just kind of do that. Yeah, well, it's not to hold, it's just so I can see where my line gonna go before I even
imaginary line?
Yeah, my imaginary line. Yeah, so this is like a little barber trick you could do when you put these units on. Because a lot of people that do the units, they draw the line straight on the head and try to get it perfect, and it'd be hard to do. It's hard to get it perfect. All right. So like I said, we're gonna get the corners in first. Am I on the bottom? Yeah, I'm on the bottom. Yeah, so you gotta put the tape in there. Exactly where the line is.
Notice from the last unit is putting it at the bottom allows you to use the hair to cover up the line. Because once you actually start gluing, that line still will be there. So you use the hair to kind of cover up the bottom of that line.
We use scalp protector. Protect the scalp from whatever you put on the scalp. It's gonna sit on for a longer period of time. You gotta make sure you.
So how long is this unit supposed to last?
Most of the units last, 4 weeks, at least a month.
Okay.
Well, how long do yours last? Your last?
First one lasts about 4 weeks.
Okay.
Anywhere from 3 to 4 weeks.
Yeah. Use my shears. I'm just gonna cut out the ends right quick. Ain't gonna really matter too much, but sometimes my ends are too straight. And just take the hair. You gotta measure it. Let's see. Oh shit. See where we don't see how much you need. Probably gonna need a little bit more on this unit. So I'm gonna lay it down. So I'm gonna come out just a little bit more. So you just gotta kind of measure it. I can get that all the way on there. Apply the glue like this. And so you brush it all the way up to the line like that. Make sure you got the whole line. You just spread all this out as even as you can. And it's cool to touch the hairs on the side. You ain't gotta be scared like not to touch it. You can touch the hairs on the side. It ain't gonna make no difference. It's really gonna make it look even better because the hair gonna hold to the hair on the side of the hair. And it's gonna blend in a lot better. You know what I'm saying? Like that. Just a little bit, like the edges kind of. Yeah, I'm coming in the back next. I'm just taking my time. And just gonna do this front part first. I'm gonna lay that forward, and I'm gonna lay this back part backwards. Oh yeah. Let it dry too much. You pull it. I just come back and just kind of clean it up a little bit. Just push it up with the razor, so we can make sure the line is straight. Once you lay your ghost bond glue on the head, go on and pull the tape off. Yeah, because it dries pretty fast. Yeah, it dries real fast. So, but we just wanna you just wait to apply it once it get clear like this. So once it get clear a little bit, I'm gonna lay it down. So I'm just gonna lay this hair right on this head, just like this. I'm going to back. I'm just gonna lay this ghost bond glue again. Touch the edge of the hair. You kind of want to touch it so it can blend in a lot better. You gotta let that dry clear. Once it dry clear, then you can let the hair in. Just gotta make sure the hair is touching. Alright. I'm start trimming it down a little bit. I'm just chopping it down right now, just trying to get it down. It's gonna be a little easier to work with. Work though. All of them gonna take about at least 2, maybe 2-3 hours to get them on, and you know, unless you got them already prepped and cut already. But yeah, 300 for these. But like I said, this depends on what you want to charge. The longer units we charge 500 for. And all of it gonna be freehand, you know, pretty much freehand work the whole way. That's the best thing about this one. You can take this one down real low. The clients, like they got them lines in the front. You know, they lines be low in the front, them cowlicks right there. You put 2 patches of this. Cut it all the way down and line it up. So you can kind of see how the line gonna pop out real hard. You can kind of already tell it's gonna be do pretty good just based off of how thick that is right there. So when I start with the line on these joints, like I said, you just kind of start low, because you don't want to take too much too fast. Take your time with it. I'm still gonna drop it right up under where I want to put it at, until decide on where I want to bring it up. I always want to take, so you always want to take your time with it though, because you never know how the hair gonna react sometimes. So kind of go up under the line where you was gonna put it at. I know it ain't perfect. I'm just gonna come back and clean it up a little bit. I'm just gonna trim this down just a little bit more. You can't put a guard on it.
You get stuck in there.
You can't put nothing on it. Like, all this freehand. You can't put no guards on it. Can't no comb go through it. Huh? They probably snatch it up or something. Yeah, that glue is the important part. You know what I'm saying? Letting that glue dry. That's the real important part. Cause you can't have problems with the glue. You see how it's gluing, drying all white. But like I said, I'm gonna use enhancements and fibers. I'm gonna cover all that up anyway, so I ain't tripping about it. And don't stress yourself out trying, you know, when you start working on your first one. Go on and work it all the way through, because it's really about how you blend it in. It's not gonna mess, you ain't messing nothing up. You can always patch it up if you mess up a spot. You know, just go all the way through your first couple times, and just so you can just see and kind of develop your own techniques and stuff, because you're gonna develop your own techniques. All right, so we got them kind of low a little bit. You know. Start the haircutting process.
Hey, block, crank it up.
Ain't no kid. Nah, this the
All this overtime I'm putting in, I hope it pay off. All this overtime I'm putting in, I hope it pay off. I'ma keep on putting in work, I work that clock, I'm never late off. Always did my own thing, never worry about what they thought. Don't care how many tries it take me, as long as I take off. I come from a side where niggas grind to get what they want. Little one, keep that eye, you out your mind, think you gon' take some. I'm getting anxiety, hoping we okay. And I told my mama that we gon' be okay.
Listen, I stand on mine, I don't bend, I don't sway like the coach. I just take my loss to win, but I don't play. Treat that paper like a bitch, I don't chase. I just get to have my way with her, might put it in your face. Listen, on that chin to get mine, gone in the wind to get buried thoughts I'm remembering. This cold work got me shivering. Fuck it in the end, tell them cremate me. Bring the flames, please bake me. Pray the Lord clean slate me. YOLO when this go mode, don't need you to teammate me. Belly of the beast, appreciative she ain't ate me. Bulldozing shit up in the way. Yeah, I told my niggas it's gon' be okay.
All this overtime I'm putting in, I hope it pay off. I'ma keep on putting in work, I work that clock, I'm never late off. Always did my own thing, never worry about what they thought.
I'm Sean the barber. My barbershop is located at 6929 JFK Boulevard, North Little Rock, Arkansas. This was a very informational class. I didn't know how to do units until now. I just came in and he showed me pretty much the basics of everything, what I need to do as far as the hair unit. Trying to get some extra income in my pocket.
So much shit I had to overcome. Won't smoke, he choke, we roll him up. Potato on the barrel, you know this bitch fully loaded up. This me, I didn't get mad, call me a bum, but now I'm blowing up. They can keep on talking shit long as don't put no name on it. I got my head on straight, but still a bust your brains open. They caught on kinda late, I've been told these folks I was chosen. Snub on me, watch your business, you go and stick your nose in. All this overtime I'm putting in, I hope it pay off. I'ma keep on putting in work, I work that clock, I'm never late off. Always did my own thing, never worry about what they thought.